In a world where every nation speaks a language of colors, we find the tale of interconnectedness round the loom of humanity. The video narrates a story that weaves through cultures, highlighting the unity and diversity of global attire. Once upon a time, beyond borders and languages, the loom of humanity wove a tapestry that transcended divisions. The narrative guides through a mesmerizing opening with calm, ethereal music as the narrator sets the stage. Once upon a time, beyond borders, beyond languages, beyond the lines that divide us, there was only one thing, the loom of humanity, weaving us all together. As the loom awakens, mystical sounds transport viewers to a realm where each thread tells a tale. Every thread is a story, every fabric a memory, every attire a heartbeat of a culture. The voice gently resonates with listeners. The attire journey sequence unfolds with seamless musical transitions, taking us from one culture to another. Japan presents the kimono, elegantly depicted as where elegance becomes respect. Scotland's kilt follows, described with pride woven into each fold. India showcases the sari, painted in vibrant words, colors dancing like poetry. From Nigeria comes the regal agbada, majesty that walks with power. Mexico's poncho flows freely, encapsulating freedom that flows with every step. Arabia reveals the thobe and shamak as garments of wisdom and welcome. China's hanfu, crafted in harmony and beauty, mesmerizes viewers. The modern world presents the suit, bridging time and the future, worn by all. As the cultural garments converge, the loom's epic weave culminates in the final legendary robe scene. Now, the loom weaves them all, not separate, not divided, but together. A single robe, a single humanity, delivering a powerful message of unity. The narrative concludes with a closing quote over a calming scene. "We are not strangers in this world. We are threads in the same fabric of one world," leaving viewers with a resonating sense of belonging. Throughout the video, a blend of musical suggestions and visual effects enliven the script.